To be able to take photos with a voice command on Samsung Galaxy A37, first we need to go to Camera. Once you open the Camera app, tap on these four dots on the right side, and then you want to go to Settings. Once you open Camera Settings, in here we want to scroll down, and we need to find the shooting methods option. In here, we can see the voice commands option, so of course we need to make sure that it is enabled. This option is available only in some languages. I know, of course, that it is available in English, but I'm not sure if there are more languages that support this feature. And over here we can read that we can say smile, cheese, capture, or shoot in order to take a photo, or record video in order to start recording a video, of course. So now if we go back to the camera, if I say something like capture, then as you can see, we have captured a photo. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.